Vaishnavi, and I finished my practitioner course in NLP practitioner with Alpha Stars in May, from the end of April to the beginning of May. It's been 2 months since then, and it's very difficult to actually explain to someone exactly what happened in these 2 months, because I think I'm going to take another 2 years to understand it myself. And when I reached this point, like when I was in this coaching, in this room, when he taught us that being a coach doesn't mean just, talking to people and giving advice. It's finding them and helping them find themselves and find their own way and make their own path without actually putting myself in it. And he connected us at that point with our inner beings. And just while talking to us, while teaching us, while training us, he's the kind of man who can hypnotize you and you won't even know. He will convince you that you have everything within you. You have love, you have uniqueness, you have nurturing, you have non-judgmentalness, you have acceptance, you have diligence, you have all kinds of things. You have every form of knowledge that you need and everything is within you. He sets oceanic ecstasy in you to the point that you don't have to question it again. When you need to come to that presence, you don't have to try to come to yourself one more time, because he just keeps you in it. And while you're in this point, you can connect to every part of your life, every instance and every experience that you've had in your life where you have functioned from these spaces. He teaches you how to bring them into your presence at all times and be able to guide people from that clear space. Where you're coming without any selfish motive and you're coming without wanting to get something for yourself. It's about helping someone else and being the best you to be able to help them. And that has been instilled in the innermost shift coaches so strongly that I would not question a single innermost shift coach's actual purpose of trying to help me. Without a doubt, I know that every single one of them has a good intention, because it's been instilled so deeply, so strongly and so firmly. It's not leaving. While you're learning, you're growing, and while you're growing, you're learning, and you don't really understand when that happened to you. Siri and Satsa have not only been coaches to coach us into being coaches, or to learn how to use NLP, or learn how to speak NLP, because it is a language. They teach you how to be you, and they teach you how to live your life in your way, in your terms, in the best way possible. Because what he said to us very clearly was, people around you normally look at you and they see your experience. What they see in you is potential. They didn't know any of us, and they don't make that effort to come and ask us, like, tell me about your life, I want to know everything about it. They just look at the person and they see what's inside. They see unbelievable potential in every single one of us, and they know exactly how to tap it. They tap it, and all they do is set that one trigger question, and everything unfolds in front of you. You can trace your steps forward, backward, you can hear yourself talking. You can feel how you're feeling when you're giving this presentation, Like right now I know that there's a little nervous energy in me, but this is the nervous energy that's guiding me to work. If I didn't know this, then he would have been a very bad coach. But he's a brilliant coach, so I'm completely aware of my state of being right now while I'm speaking to you. So I would strongly recommend Alpha Stars Innermost Shift Coach to people, just to come home to yourself, and come home to yourself wherever you go, because you will carry only that with you. Every time, everywhere, in every single moment. You have you, and all you have is all you can give. So when he's giving you the innermost shift, when Siri is sitting there and powering the whole thing, please be open, please close your eyes, let it sink in as unconsciously as it possibly can, because you are just ruining it for yourself by using your brain. Just let go and let the process happen. And whoever is looking at this video right now, because I'm sure loads of people will, I suggest you go and you fill up your registration right now, because this is the moment you can take your life in your hands and make that change for yourself. Thank you.